Hey guys, going to eat with Josh. Go and have some lunch at Chris's Poboy's. Great po' boy shop here in Lafayette, Louisiana. If you're looking for a good sandwich shop for lunch, check them out and get the Chris's special with the awesome sauce. There's water. Oh no. Can y'all see that? Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh God. This is all flooded. That's the neighbor's backyard compared to ours. Compared to ours. This is ridiculous. And my whole foot is underwater. Obviously elevated for this problem. Wait, no. It's obviously elevated right here. But then whenever you go down towards our house, the water comes up, as you can see with these. Look at that trash can. This house has a lot of water. I can't even tell if I'm on the road or in the water right now. It's flooding. Definitely a knee deep or so. Ankle above my ankles. There's a pool of water here. You see the slab here. And the AC, obviously they propped it up with that board there. So that's a look at the house. I think that's all the way around.